Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Today I am going to prepare potato chips by using the gram flour. For that we need potato, cut it into this size, and turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, garam masala powder, corn flour and gram flour, and oil to deep fry. Add gram flour to it. Corn flour, salt, garam masala powder, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. By adding little water, mix this well. I have mixed the potatoes. Now the oil is also ready to deep fry. Put them in the oil. Fry that till it turns light golden color. Now it's perfectly fried. So take this out from the kettle and fry all the potatoes like this. As you can see, now it's ready. So if you like the recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.